Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sign into Blogger and immediately open the affected blog. This is where changes must be made. Once inside, verify your site is live and not set to private or password protected because search engines can't index hidden pages. Next, check your custom domain DNS and the www redirect. Misconfigured records block crawlers. Make sure you have Webmaster Tools/Search Console access for the property. This lets you inspect URLs and request indexing. Now that access and visibility are confirmed, proceed to inspect specific pages. You run a URL inspection in Search Console and test the live page. This shows crawl status and coverage details. If it reports discovered, currently not indexed, or crawled, currently not indexed, examine robots meta tags and any xrobots tag headers, remove noindex directives. Then check robots. TXD for accidental disallow rules. Also resolve server errors and redirects. Fix 4xx or 5xx and ensure canonical tags point to the correct canonical URL. Once these corrections are applied, request indexing. After you request indexing, monitor the coverage and URL inspection results for the next 24 to 72 hours to confirm the page is crawled and indexed. Make sure your sitemap XML is updated in Search Console and resubmit it if you fixed many URLs. If the page remains unindexed, clear any caching layers and review CDN or hosting rules that might serve stale headers. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect response headers for lingering noindex or blocked directives. Fixing those usually resolves persistent indexing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.